Hey Daisies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing with you how I decorated this 48-inch pre-lit wreath. Now this wreath is for a client's home, but they gave it to me to decorate and I want to make it beautiful. So I'm going to be using the colors like a deep burgundy red and gold. So the very first thing that I'm going to do is flock this wreath because it's very flat and I want to pull every branch and make sure that it's nice and full. I'm going to add in some extra pieces of greenery to give it a different look on one side. And all of these items came from Hobby Lobby and Michael's. So when I'm adding picks inside of a wreath, I always like to find two of the branches and just make sure that I secure my picks in by twisting those two branches around. And that's going to make sure that it doesn't fall up when it's held upright. I'm taking this beautiful burgundy and gold ribbon to make my bow. This is how I make my bows, and when I'm done, I have a bunch that's caught in between my thumb and my pointer finger, and I'm just going to take some wire and tighten that because that's basically what's holding all of my pieces together. Next, I'm adding these beautiful burgundy poinsettias. I love how they have this velvet texture and this beautiful glitter sparkle around the edges. I'm going to double layer this burgundy velvet ribbon on top of this gold ribbon to create a two-layered ribbon throughout my wreath. And I'm using the same method. I'm just taking two branches and securing it in as I go around the wreath. And here you see me just doing placement of my picks just to make sure that they're where I want them to be, and then I'm gonna go back around and secure them with the branches. The one thing that I love about these gold picks is they have a silver clip on the end, so you can just clamp the branch instead of having to secure it by tying it. Next, I'm going to add my ornaments, and guys, aren't these ornaments beautiful? I absolutely love the color, and my favorite ones are the glittered ones. So this is the finished wreath, and I absolutely love the way that it turned out. I think it's so pretty and full. So I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY wreath video. If you guys are putting a wreath in front of your door and you want to do it yourself, it's super easy to just do it and eye it and design it yourself. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys, and I hope you had an amazing Thanksgiving.
Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter.